So what I've struggled for or struggled with over the last weeks, almost 2 months, was using this condenser microphone. Now, at first I tried connecting it directly like a plug and play. Second time, second trial, I tried using just this V8 sound card. But I discovered I needed phantom power. And I got an external phantom power that supplied some power to it, but it created a kind of noise that was not usable. And then finally, I got an interface, audio interface, one that I got from Teyun. And it's the Teyun Q12 professional high fidelity sound card. Now, when I got the box, looked something cheap and like something that would not work. But as I would find out, it beat my expectation. Now, out of the box, we get this wrapped in this nylon or plastic bag. And funny enough, this was what gave me my breakthrough with this condenser microphone, because I tried and I almost given up. But I didn't give up. We make mistakes to learn. Doesn't mean you must always make mistake. You could have just been better than me. That's the major reason why I'm making this video, so that you won't be like me and make this mistake and keep on buying different catches that you want to use. Although some of them I actually requested for a refund, I refunded them and I was giving back my money. But then I would have also gone straight to the point if I had known earlier. And it also came with a cord, with the USB. I don't know what this is. Let me open it. This is a USB A, and then the other part, I don't know what this is called. USB what? I don't know. But this one goes into the device itself, and then this part is connected to your computer or your phone through an adapter. And because I use my phone to shoot my videos, I'll be showing you how you could connect this audio interface to your devices and how it would work. Let me pause the video. Alright. Now, this was exactly what I needed. This is an adapter with which I can connect this USB to my Type-C device. So let's get into the work with the B-roll. So right now, to go further, we need to assemble this. Okay, this one is important. Yeah. And then, sure. Now, it's also important to note that when mounting your microphone, a condenser microphone, you should mount the shock mount first, which is this stuff that holds the microphone and attaches to the tripod stand before you attach your microphone to it. If you try to attach your microphone together with the wiring and everything onto the boom pole or boom mount, you would end up shaking the microphone too much, and shaking the condenser microphone too much can damage some of its internal components because it's very kind of fragile. So I'll be connecting this So now to connect this, we need to first connect this to the device. So I will connect it to my smartphone right now to connect the audio and show you how it works. So like I'll be using this adapter to carry out this audio into the device I'm using. So now I'm connecting it. So now I'm connecting it to the device. The first thing to do before we use it is I want to connect this audio interface through this adapter with the type C to the device I use is my smartphone. So now let's connect it and see how it looks or how it sounds. Now the next thing we'll be doing is to connect the microphone via this XLR cable to the audio interface. Now I'm connecting it and I'll turn on the 48V phantom power. Now why is it doing like this to me? So right now it's connected the audio interface to the adapter and the adapter to the power supply, which is a power bank, a 20,000 mAh power bank that I use, and then it's connected to my phone. So it's to ensure that it's receiving some electricity supply to make sure that this is receiving the audio quality and the audio signal. So let me pause this and see how it sounds like. One. Okay, so now it's connected fully and this is how it sounds like. And I know the lavalier microphone I was previously using has a option to automatically cancel background noise, but this one also has its own benefits. And number one, it looks professional. Number two, it has the aesthetics. It doesn't necessarily mean that it's professional. It's not professional, but it just looks professional. And then, oh, I got my light on. And then it also has the option of giving me a better bass. With my previous lavalier microphone, I couldn't have the bass that I wanted, but this one gave me a much more better bass. And even though it picks up the background noise around me, I can just cancel the background noise to my video editing app, and that's it. So it's not really bad as you might think. And then thank you for watching my video. And this also only proves that as human beings we should not give up, because when we make mistakes we can learn from the mistakes. So for me, I learned a lot from using this condenser microphone, to not run away from challenges, because challenges sometimes they build us to handle bigger matters. Thank you and see you in my next video.